love, today, you graduate from being my Beyonce and upgrade to husband status.
Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang pandemic stories. Maaaring salimuot sa iba, pero itong kwento ko, kwentong punong-puno ng pag-ibig.
It's gonna be a good time, gonna be a good time, yeah. Soaking up the sunshine, soaking up that sunshine, feeling like
Nakaisa.
it's gonna be a good life, gonna be a good, 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 good time. Now, keep the vibe going, paint these stars. Tonight
To my groom on our wedding day. Oh! Here's the watch I kept from you from months ago and a surprise additional gift just because aka I am your sugar mommy for now. Ito ba'y pamalo mo sa akin, mami?
it's gonna be a good time, gonna be a good time, yeah. Soaking up the sunshine, soaking up that sunshine, feeling like yeah, we do it right. It's gonna be a good life, gonna be a good, 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 good time.
Noong una kitang nakita, no joke, unang sabi ko, shit, ang ganda niya. Siyempre, stalk agad ako sa Facebook mo. Tapos, mas nakilala pa kita hanggang sa nahulog na ako sa'yo. Naalala mo pa ba dati, nung bago pa lang tayo? Sinasabi ko sa'yo na magpo-propose ako sa'yo, pero hindi ka naniniwala. Kasi masyado pang maaga. At heto tayo, at ikakasal na tayo. Ganun ako kasigurado sa'yo.
In your eyes, precious thing.
Our love blossomed during the worst of times, but you are still my favorite pandemic find. From the very beginning, you were very sure that I was the one for you.
We could only see it's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a
You are a genuinely kind and loving person, and everyone can attest to that. Your heart is the most beautiful part of you, and you inspire me to be better. I am very blessed to have a patient and thoughtful man who puts me first before anything else.
Daddy, sayang, wala ka. Kasi one of my regrets was wala akong makakasama sa altar. Aside kay Mami, hindi tayo kompleto. And kahit nasa picture ka lang ngayon, you will be always in our memory. And I love you so much. I miss you every day and I will miss you always.
forget everything. It's a magnificent life we live in. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we live in. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we live in. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life.
Jaika, gusto kong baguhin ang konsepto ng pagmamahal sa'yo. Lalo na sa mga pinagdaanan mo noon. Alam na alam ng mga tao. Alam na alam ng mga kaibigan at pamilya mo yan. Maraming salamat kasi binigyan mo ako ng pagkakataon na mahalin ka. Kahit ganito lang ako.
True ba? No way! Dearest Jaika, aka my future wife. Can't wait to see you later. Tulad ng sinasabi ko sa'yo noon, you deserve everything. Pagpasensyahan mo na tong regalo ko sa'yo at ito lang ang nakayan ko at babawi na lang ako sa ibang bagay sa'yo. Mamaya, hehe, biro lang. I love you so much and super excited na akong tawagin ka later as my wife. Love you. Masyala ng boyfriend ko. I mean, ng Beyonce ko. Naka-Hermes. Cute. Oh, thank you.
To my future husband, I want to spoil you with all the luxury I can afford. Woo! Because you are always worth it. I love you so much and I hope you'll like this. Love, your future wife. Pinili mo ako sa mga panahong hindi ako kapili-pili. Nagkakilala tayo na hindi ko abot yung level mo. Pero nagtiwala ka sa kakayahan ko. Nagtiwala ka na kaya ko. At awa ng Diyos ay kinaya natin dahil yun ang gabay mo sa akin.
Beyond, you are my person, my better half. There is no doubt in my heart that you are God's greatest gift to me, and I am forever grateful for your existence. I can't wait to spend a lifetime with you. I love you always and then always.
Let us give them a round of applause. And now, Beyond, you may now kiss your bride.
Mamahalin kita habang buhay. Alam kong cheesy na, pero yun ang pangako ko sa'yo. Kahit anong mangyari, ipagtatanggol kita kahit kanino. Jaika, mahal na mahal kita at patuloy kitang mamahalin araw-araw. Pangako yan.